Hello, I'm Lima Alpha 6 November Charlie Alpha. In this video I will show GRC-9F. It is a radio that was used during the Cold War here in Norway, and it was used in the brigade's headquarters.
Here I have taken out some of my GRC-9 equipment. I now want to select so that I get a complete radio station. The GRC-9 is an American radio developed in the early 1950s. Here we see the associated amplifier, AM66A, manufactured in France. I will now demonstrate how to connect it and have a short QSO with it. This is power for the GRC-9. I connect the 12-volt cable. This is power for the AM66A. I also connect the 12-volt cable here. They use a lot of power, so the cables are thick. Here comes the GRC-9. This is the connection cable between power and radio. The power supplies many different voltages, so there are many conductors in the cable. The power contacts are very solid. And here comes the power amplifier AM66A. The same type of power cable is used here. The power supply to the power amplifier is at the top. This is a balanced RF cable between the radio and power amplifier. RF cable is attached. The antenna isolator is attached to the power amplifier. The antenna cable is attached. A speaker with the correct impedance is mounted. The signal to the speaker is taken from the power amplifier. The microphone also connects to the power amplifier. And the Morse key is also connected here. A special jack cable connects the radio and the amplifier. The connector is marked Ampli 13. 13 is the connector it should be plugged into. One jack is plugged into the key socket on the radio. The other jack is plugged into the headphone socket on the radio. Here we see the marking. Now I mount the antenna. Each tube is approx 1 meter and has threads at each end, mounted like this. The entire antenna is now 4 meters and is mounted on the antenna isolator like this. Ground plane. It consists of 8 wires with a length of 10 meters, which are spread out on the ground. The power amplifier has a GND terminal. A little better spreading would have been preferable. Then everything is ready for testing. I turn on the receiver. We hear the vibrator power. Sets the transmitter to CW. Sets the receiver to net. Turn on the transmitter. Sets the receiver to 0 beat. Then the transmitter and receiver will have the same frequency. Now the transmitter will be tuned. The antenna selector and antenna tuner buttons are set to maximum light in the lamp. Antenna selector is in position double. We then have a balanced output. I tune the amplifier. Tune the anode circuit to minimum current. Tune the antenna circuit to maximum current in the antenna. Sets the mode switch to A3, which is for speech. The modulation works.
And to what to.
In 1976, I had full training at this station in the Norwegian Army. There we used this method to test that we had a signal out. Now I will try to call LA5XIA. Turns on the radio and amplifier.
Lima Alpha 5 X-ray India Alpha. This is Lima Alpha 6 November Charlie Alpha. Over.
Lima Alpha 6 November Charlie Alpha. This is Lima Alpha 5 X-ray India Alpha. I read you 5 and 20 over 9. Nice modulation. How many? Over.
Yes. This is Lima Alpha 6 November Charlie Alpha. Okay. You are 5 and 9. 5 and 9 here. Thank you for the report. And thank you for the QSO. 73 Lima Alpha 5 X-ray India Alpha. This is Lima Alpha 6 November Charlie Alpha. Over.
This is Lima Alpha 5 X-ray India Alpha 73. Over.
Thank you.
The QSO was 100% successful. This was fun. Something important for such a radio station is the power consumption. What is it? I have connected a clamp ammeter to the battery. Only measures with the receiver active. Measures 1 ampere. Not so bad. I turn on the transmitter. Oh, this was a bit much. 14 amps. Then I turn on the amplifier. Ufda, this was a lot. 36 amps. Phone power out is lower. What is the power consumption now? The same, 36 amps, or 450 watts. Incredibly much. Such a large power consumption will over time cause problems in the field. And now we will look inside the power and the amplifier. The power has 2 watertight lids for ventilation. These must be opened before use. Very smart locks on the front. The case is waterproof when the air hatches are closed. Oh, it looks great inside. Fantastic dyno motor. Clean and simple construction. Input power is 12 VDC, output power is 705 volt DC and 280 volt DC and 45 volt AC. Here is one of the reasons for the large power consumption. Lots of ballast tubes. These are connected in series with heating for tubes in the amplifier. Now I'm going to open the amplifier. Oh, this was nice. Very nice roller inductor. I enjoy looking at all the nice components. Three 2E22 tubes are used here. The coils and capacitors appear to be of high quality. The electrical schematic was located in the lid. I will post this electrical schematic on my website as well. It has been a lot of fun to operate this station 48 years after I received training on it in the Norwegian Army. Thank you for watching my video. Please write a comment. If you liked it, please press the subscribe button.